Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the Canadian Concrete Expo here at the International Centre in Toronto. I'm really happy to be with Mikkel Vliestra from Bay-Lynx. Hi, Mikkel.
Hi, how are you?
You're in sales here at Bay-Lynx?
I am.
What would you say is the best thing about the CCE for Bay-Lynx?
Well, for us, it's kind of a must-need to attend. It kind of fits the bill perfectly. We are local. We're based in Ancaster. It's 50 minutes down the road here. And it's getting all our primary customer base here, which is all the concrete contractors and ready-mix suppliers, anyone in the industry, anyone in Ontario specifically who's in the concrete business is coming, as well as we're seeing a lot of people from Quebec, out east, out west is really spreading. So for us, it's a must-need to attend because it's our customer base all located right down the road for us.
So it sounds like you're pretty confident that you're reaching out to your customer base, and they're able to come here and touch base with you and see what you do.
Yeah, absolutely, and that's what it comes down. It's not just generating new customers. There's a lot of our existing customers that are around there, and these existing customers that we work with, they love to see what's new on our machines. They want to come out and see our machines and get inspired on any of the new technology that we release on a year-to-year basis. So there's a lot of connecting with our existing customer base and also the potential to expand that.
So you mentioned these new machines. Tell us a little bit about Bay-Lynx. What does Bay-Lynx do?
Okay, so Bay-Lynx is an equipment manufacturer. Now we do a lot of equipment, mainly in the construction industry. The one piece of equipment that we're most popular for and that we bring to the show every time is our Titan volumetric mixer. So the Titan volumetric mixing has been around for a long period of time. It's basically making concrete on site rather than making it in a batch plant and then driving it to the site. So you get control over quality, quantity as well. You can stop pouring, you can continue pouring, whatever you need to do. And with our Titan model, it's a completely new design for us. It's made with a higher strength steel. It's one seamless bin, so it's very new to the industry, and it's going fantastic for us. And every time we bring it to the show, people are always impressed.
So the CCE is helping you showcase that to current customers and potential customers.
Yeah, exactly, because a lot of our current customers, they might be running past models of Bay-Lynx mixers. So when they see these new Titan mixers, this is great for them to finally see what this is firsthand. And of course, the new ones, it really sets Bay-Lynx apart.
How many years has Bay-Lynx been a part of the Canadian Concrete Expo, and do you expect to be here next year?
Well, there's no question we'll be here next year. This is a show we can't afford to not be at, and I think anyone who's in the concrete industry in the area needs to be. We've been with the Canadian Concrete Expo from the very beginning, so this is our 5th trade show with them. I think that was 2018, if I'm correct.
18 or 19, yeah, but 5 years, yeah.
Yeah, and it's been fantastic every time. Every year it grows, and we're just going to continue building our presence, and there's no chance that we're not going to be here every year.
Awesome. Thanks, Mikkel.
My pleasure.
Appreciate it very much.
Thank you.